this video, I'll introduce you to Prosimo Connector. Prosimo Connector on Equinix Network Edge optimizes Prosimo's multi-cloud networking, paving the way for highly performant and cost-efficient deployments, enabling use cases such as multi-cloud on-ramp, cloud transfers, and cloud repatriation. Once you're logged in into fabric.equinix.com, go to the Network Edge menu and select Create Virtual Device. Then you'll select Prosimo Connector from the list of devices. As it shows, it's a three-step process. We start by generating a bootstrap configuration file in Prosimo. For demo purposes, I have already generated a bootstrap file. We then create and deploy the device, and lastly finalize the device where the device is discovered in the Prosimo Edge portal. Single and redundant device type are supported for this connection. For demonstration, I will select a single device. Then select the device location, choose your billing account, and click on Next button. We will now enter the device details. Select the licensing as Bring Your Own License. Next, we'll upload the bootstrap configuration file that was generated in Prosimo. Select the device resources, software package, and software version. Next, enter the device details and select the interfaces and add emails for receiving the device status notifications, and then select the term length. Here we'll apply an access control list and then click Next. Now we'll review and accept the order terms, and then we can click Create Virtual Device. A Prosimo Connector device is now being provisioned. After deploying the Prosimo Connector, the customer will need to have an additional device, we recommend WiOS, to route and connect via the fabric to create the underlay. That completes this demo. Thanks for watching.